Struggling to get traffic, make sales, or grow your affiliate business online? What if I told you there's a step by step blueprint that can help you start making consistent profits, even if you have no email list, no ad budget, and zero experience? Stick around because I'm about to reveal Profit Tactics Playbook, and I'm also giving you 10 plus exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. My first impression? This is a complete beginner friendly system that actually makes sense. It's not one of those complicated tools that leaves you more confused than when you started. Whether you're just getting started in affiliate marketing or looking for ways to scale without spending a fortune, this playbook is designed to get results fast. So, what exactly is Profit Tactics Playbook? It's a cloud based strategy guide that shows you how to generate traffic, leads, and sales using simple tactics. Perfect for new affiliate marketers who don't have a list or budget for ads. Solves the common problem: I don't know how to get traffic or create content that converts. In short, it's your step by step roadmap to start making real online profits without wasting time on trial and error. Let's take a quick tour of the dashboard. Right here is the training hub. All modules are clearly organized. You can follow along with the tactical blueprints for traffic generation, email list building, and social media promotion. Each module comes with actionable steps so you can implement strategies immediately. The best part? You don't need any fancy software. Everything is built in or free to access, which means you can start taking action today. There are a few optional upgrades if you want to supercharge your results. Upgrade 1, extra traffic modules, $37. Upgrade 2, done for you templates and scripts, $37. Upgrade 3, advanced scaling strategies, $97. These are completely optional, but if you're serious about fast results, they can save you a lot of time and effort. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. I've put together 10 plus exclusive bonuses to make this an absolute no brainer. WP Slideshow Master. Build high converting slideshows in minutes. Lead Book Generator. Automatically add Facebook leads to your email list. WP Email Timer Plus. Countdown timers to skyrocket your conversions. Conversion Equalizer. Boost your ad and campaign results effortlessly. Slide Up Bar plugin. Capture more emails with eye catching opt in bars. Instant Content Creator. Generate engaging blog posts fast. Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest marketing for free traffic. Soci Ultima. Reach multiple social platforms at once. Article Analyzer. Optimize content for search engines effortlessly. WP Video Focus. Keep visitors engaged with video widgets. And several more tools and training modules designed to help you grow your business faster than ever. Remember, these bonuses are exclusive to this review. You won't get them anywhere else. Click the link below to grab Profit Tactics Playbook and claim your bonus stack today. So, what's the final verdict? Profit Tactics Playbook is simple, actionable, and perfect for beginners, while also offering strategies even advanced marketers can use. But here's the catch: these exclusive bonuses are limited. Once they're gone, they're gone. Don't wait. Click the link below now to secure your copy and your bonus package. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more high-converting affiliate product reviews. And don't forget, click the link below to get Profit Tactics Playbook with all the exclusive bonuses I just showed you. Implement these tactics and start growing your online business today.